Hello and welcome to our demonstration video today to show you exactly what happens in a Crawshaws store on a daily basis. My name is Martin Wilson, I'm an area director for the company and I've worked for the company for 14 years since the year 2000. I've seen the company grow every year since that date into what it is today. Today we are in Doncaster to demonstrate to you our Frenchgate store, which is one of the flagship stores of the business and sells high volumes of both fresh and cooked meats, and today we'd like to show you around and show you what we do. All the meat products in store we cut ourselves, and then we go on the butcher's work on the block, cut the meat, weigh it and cut it to a certain spec. Then it goes onto the wrapping table, ready to be wrapped, and here we can see the meat packs being wrapped and labelled and ready for dispatching downstairs to be placed on the shelves. First of all, we'd like to show you one of our latest value ranges, ideal for families. Basically the range is a £10 tray or 3 for £20, with a great range of products including pork loin steaks, sirloin steaks, ribeye steaks, lamb steaks, fresh chicken fillets. Basically it's a great value deal for the customer. They say buy two get one free, so they can mix and match any way they like. Great value for the customer, and is actually a 30 to 40% cheaper than any supermarket we're competing with. So this is a multi-deck full of our value range. We do £2.50 each. You can mix and match any 3 packs for £6. You can even mix and match any 5 for £10. So again, really good range of products. Chicken portions, very popular. Our own homemade pork and apple burgers and beef and onion burgers, all homemade and produced in Grimsby factory. Again, good range of products. Chicken Kiev, braising steak, pork steaks, frying steak. We've got pork loin chops, we've got stewing steak, chicken fillet, lamb steaks. We'll move on to minced beef, flavoured pork, belly pork slices, bacon plain and smoked. And then we move down to our large range of homemade award-winning sausages. There's actually 12 different flavours in total, 2 bronze winners, 4 silver winners and 6 gold. Again, all produced in our factory at Grimsby and manufactured by ourselves. So on this multi-deck here we have the £4 3 for £10 range. Basically it's another mix and match range, geared at families really. Choose some sausage, minced beef, belly pork, we've got pork steaks, plain and flavoured, stewing steak, frying steak, burgers, chicken Kievs. We even include in the range pork loin joints, silverside beef joints and fresh chickens. So this particular range here is the value range at £5 a tray. Always been a very popular range for Crawshaws for many years, which is why it still exists, even though we still have different mix and match ranges as well. So all these trays are a flat £5. Again, a very good range of product. Legs from joints, we've got legs of lamb, silverside beef, loin of pork. So here we are now in the cook production area, preparing a racking to go on the combination oven. On the racking we can see there we have gammon joints at the top. We have ham shanks going into the middle, which will then get rolled into the oven and the oven will be set to cook. I'm just preparing the chickens to go on the ovens. All the fresh chickens come in, get deboxed, trust ourselves. We start placing them onto spikes, ready to go on the ovens. These are larger birds, so it'll be 4 to a spike, which will give us an oven capacity of 28. The equipment we have at our disposal is a Rationale combination oven, which is the largest one you can get, basically 10 grid. That basically cooks the shanks, the gammon joints, the pork joints. We also cook in there the meals, the curries, the stir fries, the hunter's chicken, stews, etc. Then we have the 4 rotisseries, which run continuously most days, all at different times, different batch in every one. These ovens are 7 spike ovens, which hold anywhere between 28 and 49 chickens. And there in the corner we have our double fryer, which basically cooks the popcorn chicken, the hot rocks, the chicken chunks, fries, wedges, etc. For the fried box meals. The procedure of unloading the oven, first of all we'll probe the product to check it's above temperature. All products must probe above 80 degrees for 6 seconds. Once we're happy that the target temperature has been reached across the batch, we can start unloading and preparing for sale. We make sure that we sell that product within the 2 hours time allowance to ensure maximum profitability out of that batch of chickens. I really hope this has given you a really good insight into the business. As you may know, most Crawshaws shops are rolled out in a similar way to this one. So this is just one example of the 21 stores and obviously any more stores going forward.